So it's summer now, meaning it's time for a revamp. These are the things I do to maintain how I look, how I feel, and because it's so hot and humid, it's time to revitalize myself a bit more. Just a bit of a zhuzh. So today we are booked in for a massage and facial at Michael Van Clark in Marylebone. My body felt a bit sore when I woke up, and because we're sweating a bit more in this weather, they are both definitely needed right now. I usually get massages at home in the evening just so I can sleep straight after, but sometimes I go to the salon, and then I usually get facials at the latest time that they have, just so that I'm not out in the sun straight after the facial. Right, so we're ready. Let's go. Can you feel if a hedge is tense too?
Yeah, sometimes, especially around this area. You feel there? And up here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh, the whole of me is tense.
Yeah, you need to do this more often.
Look at that glow. I love it. So we've just left the salon. The facial was so good. It was just a no frills facial, so cleanse, tone, exfoliate and moisturize. Then while I had the mask on, she gave me a head massage, which was amazing too. And then the massage, incredible. I asked her to focus on my shoulders a bit more, just because I'm always tight in that area, and now I just feel like a weight has been lifted off of my shoulders. So if you go to Michael Van Clark, please ask for Sophie. She was amazing. I think I'm going to take Mama there next week as well, so she can get some treatments done. So now I'm going to get a drink because it's very important to hydrate after a massage. Good morning. We're going to do my eyebrows today because they're looking a bit bushy. I haven't done them since March. It's a bit windy today, so let's go. We've just done the brows, my face is all red, and after the facial yesterday this emerged from my face. Not good, but feeling fresher. Good morning. So I forgot to mention yesterday that for the brows I only get them threaded, and then she lightly fills them in with pencil afterwards. And as for the facial, do not get one right before a big event. Maybe give it around 10 days or so, because you might break out, which is perfectly normal by the way. It's called purging, which is your skin's way of detoxifying and ridding itself of impurities. As shown here, actually this was already underneath the skin since the other day, and I feel like the facial kind of brought it to the surface. Anyway, today we are going to the Chiropractor by Harley Street. I've been going there since 2019 because I tend to get back and neck pain from sitting down working, and whenever I go, I always leave feeling so relieved. But you always need to be careful when going to a chiropractor, and definitely do your research beforehand. I'm ready to get my back clicked.
Good. Just completely relax that head. Good. Good. So, good. Nice. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Good. And then the other side. Nice and relaxed. Deep breath in. Good. Deep breath out. Nice and relaxed. Good. Well done. Good. Lovely. Well done.
Wow. It's now many hours later after the chiropractor, and we are back home, just about to get ready for bed. I mean, I just love the feeling after an adjustment because you feel such a release of tension in the body. I don't know how to describe it, but you just feel so light afterwards. You feel less stiff, your mobility improves, your posture is better. I mean, your body just dramatically improves after one session. So I had all of my back cracked. Is cracked the word, or should I say clicked? Sounds more gentle. So I had most of my back clicked, as well as my neck, and then I had scraping and also some cupping. Thankfully it wasn't static cupping where you can see the cups on your back, but my back is a bit red from the scraping, although it doesn't really hurt, it's just a bit tender. So that's how it looks after the scraping. Anyway, it's time for bed, so I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. So I've just had a shower. Today we are going to get a haircut because my hair's too long now. So maybe just a little trim, but I'll see what Gabriel thinks. We usually do some layers at the front as well, but not sure whether we're going to try one layer this time. They also have the cutest dog there called Coco. So if she's there, I'll get her to say hi to the camera. Beautiful. Amazing. Yeah. Thank you. Very happy. Thank you. And this is why you are the best.
Oh, thank you. I love it. You have a nice hair.
Thank you so much.
It's easy.
So I've just done the hair. Also, Coco wasn't at the salon today, unfortunately, but Gabriel did an amazing job. Best hairdresser ever. Rightio, we're ready to paint the town red. So today we are going for a general checkup at the dentist, just to make sure the oral health is okay. Then we're seeing the hygienist straight after for an intensive clean. I actually don't think that many people visit the hygienist enough, but I do believe that it's beneficial to check your teeth and gums for any problems and to prevent plaque buildup where brushing can't reach. Okay, so we've just finished at the hygienist. Now, I only get these done every 6 months, but I actually really enjoy my dental visits because they make my mouth feel so clean. It's recommended that you don't eat anything that requires excessive chewing for 4 to 8 hours, as your teeth are quite sensitive, and also avoid anything that can stain your teeth. So I'll just eat something soft in a couple of hours. Okay, so it's bedtime. We've brushed our teeth and I'm going to pop on some whitening strips for 15 minutes. I don't recommend putting on whitening strips the same day as your hygienist appointment if your gums are inflamed. So please do ask for professional advice beforehand. I asked the hygienist if it was okay for me to use them today, just so I can do the full shebang of cleaning and polishing at the hygienist, then using whitening strips at home. He said that mine were quite good, touch wood, and he said that it's because I'm probably flossing more. Say cheese! Fun fact, apparently back in the 19th century, people used to say prunes instead of cheese when taking a picture. I mean, I guess that's not so different now because people pout their lips when taking pictures anyway. The longer one is meant to be for the top set of teeth and of course the shorter one for the bottom. You want to make sure that your teeth are dry before applying them, just so that they can stick to your teeth better. I just grab some tissue and then dry my teeth with it. Oh, I've got some water on my top. So the strips are off. I rarely use whitening strips. I only really use them the night before a big event. Anyway, that's all for now, so I'll see you in the morning. Today, we're going for a wax. Now, I personally like to go every 4 weeks just so that I can maintain my hair cycle, but before that, I like to dry brush and exfoliate my skin at home first. Dry brushing helps with exfoliation, and it's also said to help stimulate your lymphatic system, as well as reduce the appearance of cellulite and remove toxins. This one I got from Boots many years ago, and sometimes when I find that I'm tight around this area, it actually helps a lot. So they say to start from your feet, moving up your body, going towards the heart. Some people actually like to use circular motions, but I just go like this instead. And then I hop in the shower. After I dry myself off, of course you need to moisturize to bring back the moisture in your skin. I usually use raw organic coconut oil, but I'm just trying to finish off this one that I got. It's the Cantu 100% pure and all natural mango butter raw blend with shea butter and coconut oil. It's a bit thick for me, so when I'm done with that, I'll probably just go back to using the usual coconut oil. Also, if you're wondering, this bathrobe was a gift from one of my bestest friends, Carlton, from Victoria's Secret. This must be around 10 years old now, but I still love it very much. Hello! So it's the last day of maintenance week and it's time for the nails. So I seldom get a pedicure, only when I feel like I need a real pamper. But today we are going with Mama because she wants a pedicure as well. Now, as for my hands, I never get a manicure. I always do mine myself just because I prefer the way that I do them. I've already cut and filed my toes, so there's not much for them to do apart from remove the dead skin cells, massage and paint the nails. So let's meet Mama and get a pedicure. Okay, so we're back home in the bathrobe and I'll just show you what I do to my hands. It's really simple, but I've been doing my nails this way since I was like, I don't know, 12. I usually do my nails at night just so I don't ruin them throughout the day by touching things because I use regular polish. So let's just pretend that it's nighttime. I cut my nails short because I don't like long nails on me, and I always check my nails by doing this if they're the same length, so both thumbs are the same, etc. A bit weird, I know. Then I file them in one direction using short strokes to not damage the nails. This is the top coat I've always used. This nail polish I've used for the longest time as well. As you can tell, I'm very loyal to my products. And fun fact, this nail polish is apparently the one that Queen Elizabeth used to use. Very simple routine. Sometimes I do 2 layers, sometimes I do 1. Today I was just feeling 1, and that is all I do. Alrighty, so that's the end of maintenance week, and now I feel like I have a spring back in my step. Also, a little disclaimer, I'm not a licensed professional in these fields, these are just what works for me and what I do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do let me know what you do in your routine or what you do to make yourself feel better. Thank you for watching and hopefully we'll see you in the next video.